Hey, what's up everyone, second video of the day, and I was going to do a dank memes reaction, but it seems like there don't seem to be any right now that I haven't seen or that aren't like really old. So I found this, which is once again Flying Kitty, who I think I've reacted to 2 of their videos before with David, and yeah, they're pretty funny. So this is I'm in love with a damn train. So this is a Big Smoke, I imagine. Well, I can tell from the thumbnail, but yeah, Big Smoke, I'm in love with a damn train. I'm guessing it's going to be like a parody of I'm in love with the Coco, but I may be wrong. Anyway, I guess we should just get straight into it. This is probably going to be pretty funny. So come on, Big Smoke, big beautiful smoke. Oops, don't disappoint me. Yeah, it is. It's I'm in love with the Coco. I'm in live? What? Like a CJ in the back. And Ryder. Wait, is it Ryder? I can't remember. Yeah, it is. Extra dip. Nice. What? It's lit. CJ. Imagine if this was a real song. Food bill.
Why you just didn't quit, man? What's it mean? So what?
Was it the memes or what? The large soda, what? Oh my gosh.
What are you doing? Extra dip. I got
Clocking bell.
With it, bro. The cheese, nigga. Real fast, nigga. I'm in love with the damn train. I'm in love with the damn train.
It must have taken ages to make.
I'm in love with the damn train.
Is that the end? Oh no. Oh no, that was short, but yeah, that was what do you expect? It was Big Smoke, it was hilarious. Big Smoke is the one true god. Yeah, Flying Kitty didn't disappoint. Hilarious video. As I say, I was going to react to a dank meme reaction, but couldn't find any at the moment. Hopefully some should come out actually like today or tomorrow or something. Anyway, hope you like that video. If you want to see the original video, the link is in the description. I find any of these kind of, I guess this is a YTP really, like a gaming YTP. I find any YTP is funny. Flying Kitty's last 2 videos were hilarious. This one was funny. That whole Big Smoke meme is high up in my books of dank memes. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching. There's not much else for me to say. I mean, how do I analyse that? It was a masterpiece. That's all I can really say about that. Yeah, so thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, actually, then please give them to me. If you have any suggestions for like dank meme reactions, that compilations that you know I haven't reacted to, please tell me. And yeah, I will see you next time, which will be tomorrow. Hopefully there will be a dank meme compilation I can react to then. And yeah. I will see you next time. Simples. Peace.